This is Creepy Crawlies mallet part. Start in 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Measure 7. 1, 2, 3. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Get ready. Rest for 7. 3, 4, 5, 6. Get ready. 7. Measure 22. Now we rest for 7. This is while the trumpets are buzzing and the low brass is playing their stuff. 4, 5, 6. Get ready during 7. Here we go. And stop here. One, 2, 3. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. And that's it.